So if you're looking for a customized truck, something that you're not going to see everywhere, this is it. This is a 2015 Ram Cummins diesel, lifted. Take a look at the job they did on this. This truck is really sharp. All professionally done exactly the way it should be. Take a look at the tires, custom wheels, nice deep dish. Take a look down the side of this truck. Not a truck you'll see everywhere. It is a mega cab. Take a closer look. This is the rear axle. We're going to do a little bit of crawling. We'll take a look underneath here. Hold on for just a minute. Now this gives you a little better view of the lift kit that is on this truck and the undercarriage. Looking towards the back end of the truck, as you can tell, this truck is sharp. Now let's take another look inside, see what we've got. So this vehicle does have your remote lock and remote start, and we'll take a look inside. So as you can see, it does have your power running boards. This truck has your memory seats. It is a Longhorn, so it does have your Longhorn interior, sunroof, adjustable pedals, power windows, power door locks, power folding mirrors. Let's get in and take a little closer look. So I have the truck started. As you can see, it does have your trailer brake control, heated, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Navigation. It does have your programmable garage door opener. And of course your power sliding window control, and that is a rear window that has a defrost on it. Your tinting mirror, as you can tell, this truck was exceptionally well taken care of. They traded it in on a new Ram. Interior is just what you would expect. Just beautiful. 62,000 miles. Does have your information system, which, as you see, is adjustable. And I'll get to the screen that I like the best. This particular screen, because it not only tells me my tire pressures, oil life index, battery, exhaust and turbo. But this is the one I like whenever I'm doing any towing or series four-wheeling. I've got all my vital fluids are listed right there, and it is a honey. So let me know what you think of this truck. Shoot me an email, shoot me a text, anytime. So again, if you're tired of all the hassles and the back and forth, you want no games, you just want to know what you can buy something for, get the numbers right, that's what we do. we do the deals that others won't. So come in and see me, Jim Costello, Sam Lehman, Morton, Illinois, 309-208-8268, 309-208-8268. And you have a great day. Thanks.